Hi guys, today I'm back with another mold to test out. This one is some holographic Christmas tree earrings. So I've mixed up some epoxy resin. You could use UV resin because it is a clear mold, this one, but I've got some epoxy resin already mixed up, and to that I have added this ultrafine green glitter. So I'm going to carefully fill up these molds and see how they turn out. Okay, so I just scraped a little bit off because these bits, there's not meant to be resin in there, but that's just how it's going to be poured. But they'll just, once dry, they'll just come out. Okay. So I filled those bits up there. These bits will just, once dry, they'll just come out. And I think the rest will all be connected, ready for earring hardware. But I will let those cure for at least 24 hours and I'll be back for the unmolding. Okay guys, it has been 24 hours. Time to unmold these earrings. And as you can see, this excess bit just pops straight out. Wow, look at the holographic pattern on that. That is so pretty. Wow. Well, let me put a hook on these and I'll be back with the finished product. And there you have it, guys, the finished product. I've just added a jump ring and a hook and they're ready to wear. And what a statement piece these are. Totally give this mold a go, guys. And catch me next time for some more resin mold testing. Bye, guys.